Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some of my current favorite products, and I'm also going to be giving an update on intermittent fasting. I've been intermittent fasting since March, and it's been a little bit since I've given you guys an update, and in the last week I've changed something that has made a huge difference. So I wanted to tell you guys what I've been doing for that, but I'm going to wait until the end of the video to share that, just in case you're not interested in that. You can just skip right over that. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the beauty products. So recently on Thanksgiving I did a TCA chemical peel at home. It's my second time doing it, and I had really good results. My skin is looking amazing, and to keep my skin hydrated I was using the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty and also the Alba and Petroleum jelly. These products are amazing and they worked so well to keep my skin hydrated. I was using the Ultra Repair Cream with antioxidant booster, and I ran out of this, so I ordered this one online and didn't realize there was a difference. But this one I would say is definitely more moisturizing. It doesn't have the antioxidants in it, but as far as moisturizing, like, so good. It kept my skin super hydrated. This one I could say it's light enough but heavy enough, but light enough that you could wear it like underneath your makeup. But this one is, I feel like it's a little bit like thicker and more moisturizing. And then I would seal this all in with the Petroleum jelly by Alba. It's a it says 100% vegetarian ingredient, so it's basically like Vaseline with Vaseline without like the bad products that's in that. So those were so amazing for keeping my skin hydrated. I do have a video, or like a series of videos for the TCA peel that I did 2 years ago. So if you're interested in that, I will put those links down below. But oh my gosh, I'm so happy I did it. My skin, like, it's almost like a refresher to your skin. A chemical peel pretty much just like burns off the outer layer of your skin, so it reveals like all of the healthy new young skin underneath, and it was so worth it. I can't even say enough good things about it. The process is not nice, it's not pretty, but the end result has been really amazing. My makeup looks better, like I feel like I look younger, I have like less fine lines, so that's just been like, that's one of my favorites too, is the TCA peel. I wish I could do it more often, but I don't get that much time off of work, and so I had to do it like on a day where I had a few days off of work to like get through that ugly stage of the TCA peel. Okay, next, moving on. On Black Friday I did go out and try to get a few of the sales. I ended up going to Victoria's Secret and I picked up these two products for myself. I love the Victoria's Secret lotions and body sprays. They smell so good. I've been kind of like trying to use other products, but when I smelled this, it was so good. This one is called Velvet Petals, and it's just a fragrance lotion, so I don't know if they're super moisturizing, but they smell really good. And this is the scent of Sweet Almond Glaze and Creamy Sandalwood. It smells so good. It's not like a strong scent, but it's like a very like light fragrance, and it smells just so amazing. I had to pick up the body spray too, but these have been some of my favorites. They just smell so good. I can't even describe them. So if you're out and you see these, just smell them and see if you like them. They smell just so good. And then lately I've been trying to get my hair in better shape. Recently I colored it dark again. I really just needed a change. My hair was just looking so unhealthy from all the bleach, and it was just feeling really dry. It like just felt like straw, like it just felt so dry, and I just wanted to give my hair a little bit of a break, so I colored it dark again. It was very nice. I loved having like a lighter hair color, maybe again in the summer, but for now I just want to focus on like getting my hair back in like good healthy condition. So I wanted to pick up a few new products, and I really like It's a 10 leave-in conditioner or thermal protectant, whatever that is. So I wanted to kind of stay within that same line because I know they have, like, I really like that product. So I ran out of that and thought that I needed to pick up some new products to try. The first one is It's a 10 Silk Express Miracle Silk Smoothing Balm. And this is a thermal protector, which I really wanted, and it also does a bunch of other things for smoothness And the one reason that I really picked this product up is because it has glycerin in it, and glycerin is very moisturizing. Like, it pulls the moisture into your hair or skin or whatever it is that you're using with glycerin in it. So I thought that this is like something that isn't just making my hair look healthy, it's actually like making it more healthy. So I put this on after I towel dry my hair, and then I've been using, it's a Potion 10 Miracle Styling Potion, and this is a blow drying smoothing styler, luminous shine, detangles, does 10 things, reduces frizz, humidity resistant, and basically I just got this for styling my hair. So I put this in when it's damp, and then it makes like my curls hold a little bit better. And I wanted something besides hairspray that would like keep my style a little bit longer, even if I straighten it or curl it or whatever it may be. And this is, it's been amazing. It doesn't weigh my hair down. Smells really good. Both of these products smell amazing. So I've been loving those a lot. And then I also have been using Paul Mitchell Extra Body Thicken Up, and this is like a thickening liquid. This isn't something that I went out and bought. I actually already had this. I've just been using it again and really enjoy it. I put like a dime size amount and put it through my roots just to thicken up my hair. My hair is super fine, as you guys know, so it really helps with the thickness and body, and I need everything I can get in that department. So these all together have been working really nice. And let's see, moving on to makeup products. So last weekend I took Paige and her girlfriend to the MAC store in Portland on Northwest 23rd. I love that store. That's like my favorite makeup store to go to. Like, I just love the whole like area that it's in. It's in Northwest Portland, and they just have like a bunch of shopping around there. And Paige asked if we could have a girls' day, so we took her and her friend and we just went and like spent the day together. Went to the MAC store, went and got boba tea, and just kind of walked around and had so much fun with them. And I picked up a few things from MAC. I had 22 empty MAC containers that I needed to trade in for my Back to MAC, which I got 3 free things. 2 of the things were lip glosses. I let the girls each pick out a lip gloss, and it was so much fun just hanging out in there and playing with makeup. The makeup artist there was just so patient with us because we were just all over the place like kids in a candy store. Literally, they had so much fun. But they both picked, I let them both pick out a lip gloss. Paige picked Underage and Cadence picked Nymphet, which are both 2 of my absolute favorite lip glosses. And then I got an eyeshadow. This is one that I already have, but I wanted to have a backup because it's a new one that I've been loving lately, and it's Orb. It's like a satin. It's like, I just use it for an all over color, and it's just really pretty, like pale shade with like a peachy tint to it. And then I picked up some other things as well. I picked up this blush. It's a matte blush, and it's called Prism, and I've been using this for contour. I wanted to find like a contour, something I could contour with that wasn't as like orangey or dark as Hoola is. Hoola is not dark. Hoola is not orange, but it is a little bit dark right now because it's winter time and my skin's a little bit lighter. But I've been using this, and I think it works really good. It's kind of like a cooler tone. It's like a rosy brown blush, but it's been working really great for contouring. I think it looks really pretty. I mean, I could even wear it as a blush or just wear this with a highlighter, and I think it would work too. But that's just so pretty. I'll show you what it looks like. If you can see it. Just looks like that. If you hear the dogs snoring in the background, I'm so sorry, but they're sleeping and they're out of my hair right now, so I'm gonna go with that. The next thing that I have here, this is one of my empty products, was my MSF in Soft and Gentle. This is so pretty, you guys. This is my favorite, and if you know, if you've been watching for this whole year, I've pretty much been using this nonstop. Such a pretty like peachy highlight with like silver and gold both in it, and it doesn't look like much, like you can't see it a whole lot, but that's what I love about it. Like, you put it on and it just looks like your skin is glowing. And a funny story about this is that when I very first tried Soft and Gentle a long time ago, I did not like it, and I could not figure out why people liked it so much. Like, I thought it was just like a chunky highlighter and I just didn't like it, so I put it away and put it in my drawer for years, and then I pulled it out and started using it and I absolutely loved it. So I don't know what that was all about, but now it's like holy grail for me. Another product that I picked up from MAC is this Fix Plus. I let the girls we got like a 3-pack and we each chose one of these little Fix Pluses, which is really good because I think this is good like when you're young and you don't want to wear a lot of makeup but you want your skin to have like a little bit of a glow. This works good and perfect for the girls because they're like 13 and they don't need a lot of makeup yet, but it just like enhances your skin, like your bare skin, but also you can use it as a setting spray. There were 3 different scents. The one I have is coconut, and I think there was lavender, and then another one, I can't remember what the scent was, but they each got one of those. And it's just nice and convenient rather than carrying like a big one around. I just carry this small one, and it's really good for just like freshening up. It smells so good. This coconut one smells amazing, but I just love having I love Fix Plus, and I think it works good for a lot of things, like applying your eyeshadow, or just, you know, like I said, like a setting spray, or before your makeup. It works really good to moisturize, and I love that. I also picked this up. This is the Beauty Blender Solid. It's like a beauty blender or sponge cleaner. This was kind of like a purchase, like, what is that called? Like, they have it right there on the shelves, like you weren't really thinking about getting it. An impulse purchase, that's what it's called. An impulse purchase, but it does work really well for cleaning my sponges. I did clean my sponges with this, and it just like, they're just like spotless. It's kind of pricey. It was $20, I think, for just a small little bar that's in there. I usually use Dawn dish soap, but I thought it would be nice to try something else, and it does work really amazing. And I think that's pretty much it for makeup products. Last time, my last video, you guys asked what nail polish I was wearing. It was this one. It's OPI's Stay Off the Lawn. Such a pretty green. I was in love with this shade for a few weeks and wore it nonstop. Just such a pretty green shade. And then the one I'm wearing today, this one is OPI's Chick Flick Cherry, and it's a really nice red. It's kind of like a cherry red. Tonight is my holiday party at work, so I wanted to have fresh nails, and this is like the perfect holiday shade. So those are some of my current favorite products, and because this video is getting so lengthy, I think I'm going to go ahead and film a second video for the intermittent fasting update. Otherwise this would just be too long. I will link it in the description box in case you're interested in checking that out. So I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.